feel like I'm doing important work here because we're helping people get faster internet.
Parts and service is so fast. They've got knowledgeable techs.
How I help my customers learning and listening to what they need, and some of the experience that I've had over the years from different situations where we've been in different ground conditions. We work together as a team, the customer and I, to try to make that best decision to be profitable.
Our parts manager, our service manager, and our sales managers have helped us bend over backwards to bring us parts. They've kept our machines running. They're one-on-one personality, dealing with you as a person and not just a customer.